Prior to turning the printer on, connect the power cord to the rear. Remove the white spacer from the RJ45 port. Connect the network cable to this port. Remove the cassette from the front. After removing paper from its packaging, fan it to separate the pages. Next, tap the stack to square up the pages. Load the paper by sliding the end of the paper stack toward the rear of the cassette. Ensure that paper is resting below these guides. The cassette is set for letter size paper. If another size is being used, adjust the paper length guides as required. Turn the size dial on the front of the cassette to match the size of paper in the cassette. In our example, we'll be using letter size paper. Insert the cassette back into the printer. For more information on adding paper, be sure to watch the Adding Paper video. Now it is time to turn on your new printer. Press the power button on the front of the machine. Allow the machine to warm up. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. The operation screen will ask you to select a language. In our case, we're selecting English. The message "Welcome, set time zone, date, and time" will appear. If you want to set them later, press Skip. Now press Go to Settings. Scroll to find your time zone. In our example, we'll be using the Central Time. Select it. The screen will present Summertime. Your choices are Off and On. We will select On. Now you can change the date and time if needed. When you're sure to set correctly, press Next. You'll now be asked to set the IP address to enable the device to run on your network. Select Go to Settings. Now you can keep DHCP on or turn it off. We're going to keep it on. Press Next. You can, if you wish, go to Settings to select Email. We'll be skipping this step by pressing Skip. The page will allow you to make settings on your home screen. We'll be skipping that, so press Skip. Next, the Others option is presented. We are pressing Go to Settings to take a look. This option allows the machine to inform you when consumable replacements are needed. It is defaulted to On. This is a good option to retain, so now press Next. The machine is now set up. Press Finish. At this point, the message Completed should appear, and the machine will ask, are you sure you want to print a status page? There is a warning. It may take a while to finish the printing. This message is there because the machine is still warming up for the first time. Go ahead and press Print. The message Accepted will appear. The home screen will now appear on the control panel as the machine is preparing to print your status page. Be patient. When the machine finishes this initial warm-up, it will print your status page.